brain is lying to you and not showing you what the real world has to offer you. Instead, it's deleting and distorting 99% of all of what is happening out there. Why? Because there's a part of your brain called the thalamus, the relay station of your brain, and all incoming information, all things that you see and hear or read, etc., is processed by this part of your brain first. And it's looking for a match to your current beliefs, to your current expectations, to your current habits. And if something matches what you believe, it allows it through, and it reinforces what you believe. It reinforces what you feel is true, but it also reinforces what you expect to be true for yourself. Now, this isn't a bad thing. It's just a conditioning thing. Your brain, my brain, every brain functionally works the same, but we are conditioned to expect and to believe different things. And we learned these things from our parents, our teachers, society, expectations from our churches, our synagogues, whatever the case might be. And our brain has this map of reality. It's projecting the map of reality onto the canvas called the world, and we think, this is the truth. No, 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 no. What I want you to do is I want you to imagine, okay, you achieving more in health and wealth, and relationship and business and success. Imagine every single day you achieving more, you losing the weight and keeping it off, you making 2, 3, 4 times more money, you growing that business, you writing that book, you being in the relationship of your dreams, and see it and feel it as if it is as real as a movie you watch on Netflix. And I want you to repeat that every day. As a matter of fact, write a story. I'm so happy and grateful for the new fact that, and write out a new fact. And I want you to read it every day, think about it, feel it, and visualize it, and act as if that's already true. Read it and visualize it and emotionalize it every day for 30 days. Every day. It'll take you 5 minutes to transform your life. And here's what your brain will do. Since when you do this, you're actually activating the subconscious mind. When you activate and reinforce new subconscious patterns, they connect to other neural circuits in the brain that cause what you're feeling, thinking, believing, and visualizing. It causes you to see more of that through a part of the brain called the reticular activation system, or cells, or the thalamus in the brain. And now you start to see things that were there before, but you didn't even pay attention to because you were looking for things that are normal for you to look for, normal for you to expect, normal for you to feel, and you were finding all the evidence of what you believe. Let's create new beliefs and then find the evidence for those. Trust me, this works. This is what I call is innercise. All right, so let's innercise your brain a little bit each and every day to strengthen the neural circuits for what you want to achieve and what you deserve to achieve versus the current reality of what you're achieving right now. If you like this, let me know why. If you don't, let me know why.